Komisi Benta ban rakhi ke Sngi Laitluid jong kari India lani ke Independence Day ko office jong Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi ha ke jing terilang bat ko office District Sports Officer DSO ri Bhoi District hene ke step ke khat santrik nailar kala pelong ye ke jing kop Mareh Thong ke beletip kum ke Independence Day run na ke Benta ke Shinrang bat kenthei kabajingai kumba nyau kilometer kabelas dang na lebai market dulongnar hadu ke Indo Stadium umling kedai ya kabalawan ban kawe ya kalama da Gamiliel Milim Assistant Commissioner Ribhoi ha ka jingdon rengkat uba Bobby L Nongbet DSO ka Ribhoi bat kiwe kinong job akini ka jingkop Mareh marathon ha ka kerdan beningkong ha ka liang kishinrang ya ka nam ladu lara do Samla lapen crowd thaba kat bau Samla kobarlin doloi loan kerdan baar bat Samla rosham teron ulawan ka kerdan balai Hakal yang kiken thaipan, kesamla Jenny Ramde kalawan hak kekerdan beningkong, kesamla BG Makri kalawan hak kekerdan baar, bat kesamla Julina Bongrung kalawan hak kekerdan balai. Bat ekanam kibelasan hak kerta nakal yang kiken thai, layo daga kong Sonra Rani, bat hakal yang kishenrang layo ruba pelbe. Nakal yang kinong peniat kum kejing pencelur bat IMC mikinong isyimenta, kilasam digi khusnam rengkat kesong pisa syabaro kinong job.
To further development of our nation. We should always remember how we gain our independence and why we gain our independence, and all of us should always contribute small steps to further developing our nation, to further realize why we wanted our independence more. Thank you so much to the sports team, thank you so much to all the runners for participating. So have a good run. I'll not take too much of your time anymore. Enjoy your run and we'll complete this 7-kilometer run. Hopefully in good time. So, all the best to all the runners. Thank you. servidor Bhoi. Bom bonito bagi Sngi, 8 kau tama. Mohon maaf, lebih
Hai sini.
Buat Malaya dari Shillong version